skipped the first lesson.
Yeah, why skip what?
We skipped the verb from.
The verb form?
No, not this one, the homework. You told me in a book to do from page 21. Yes, this wasn't the homework.
Yeah, that was homework for this one is yes.
Yes, but this one I didn't do it. I did the book homework.
You did this one? Yeah.
When I asked you
Mm.
from where to where do I answer in the book, you told me from page 21 to page 30.
Yeah, for the workbook?
Yes, I answered only the workbook.
Yeah, but I sent you in the group too. طب anyway, I'm going to share
Sorry, I will
screen.
do it today.
I'm going to do it now, don't worry. In this book from 21?
Yeah, the workbook. He sent me a file, a big book. He told me to answer from page 21 to 30.
Yeah, 21 here. Oh, yeah, for the guide of writing. Yeah, that is brilliant.
You want me to send it?
Yeah, I'm going to share it now. Did you download it and save it in our folder?
No, I didn't. You want me to send it as homework now?
No, we are going to share it and correct it now. But I'd like you to download it and save it. This is one, yes.
Now?
Yeah, this one. So that was the
Uh,
question.
yes, from page 21.
Yeah, for 21, yes, it was similar questions and the notes. And now let's correct from this one. Come on, you can see the answers.
This page
Come on.
21?
No, this is the beginning of the questions, 28.
No, but you told me to answer from page 21 to 30.
21, let's go on the
This,
PDF.
yes, this was the homework.
Okay, my dear. Now, what is number one?
Number one.
Mm.
B.
So B correct. It is for singular. What is number one? Next.
It's D.
Letter D, it is okay.
D. Okay.
Number three, letter. What is your answer?
D also.
Yeah, second one or last one, D?
Yeah, last one.
Yeah, last one, it's right, but here he said in one. In one should be what? Should be singular. So singular, singular. So it's B. Agreement in number, agreement in gender. Right, this is all of them plural. Yeah, that is a point. So in one, it's a singular pronoun. Refers to singular noun. So why not? Number four.
Last answer.
Number four, correct. Number five.
I just have a question. What's the difference between the last answer and before the last answer?
Yes, for C, for number five.
Yes, I'm asking about what's the difference between C and D.
Yeah, for number five or four?
5.
To five. Let's see the difference. This is one, it's a position. After it, we will need to find the noun. So here, it's like that, must be followed by noun. As you know, it's a position like my computer, your home, it's a cover, its ability. It refers to something singular. This is one. It equals it is or it has. And that is a beginning of a sentence. It is. Its subject is verb. And this one, it is apostrophe. This is not English. So, unka. That is the point. Now, the ability. What does the ability refer to? Who or what has the ability to expand the geography and businesses? So, business
The answer
plural.
is C.
So, it must be letter B. Because the ability to expand geographically, it refers to nouns. Catch it?
Yes.
Number 6.
Number 6 is B.
6 B, correct. Number 7.
Number 7, C.
Number 7, it must be letter D. Yeah, when you read the notes, follow the pronoun consistency. If the writer used you, he must say you. He used one, must use one. If he used the person, he must say his or her. Here he used you. That means the writer talks to you as a reader. So he must follow the consistency, the similar using of pronouns. That's what. Number 8.
B.
Number 8 B. Bro. Number 8 D. Why? Yeah, did you revise the notes in this chapter? It's called clear and unclear pronouns. If you said here it, what does it exactly? You didn't mention. If you said they, what are they exactly and precisely? What? You didn't mention. Is it such a thing? What are the things? But here he mentioned study abroad programs. Now we know what is the subject, what is the verb exactly. So this means a clear usage of pronouns. So it's letter D. Number 9.
B.
It can be B, but why not to be C? Why? Ask yourself who or what could not
Single.
only be more intensely engaged. Refers to the reader.
But one is single and they are plural.
Okay, well, here we need the pronoun. So ask yourself who can do this action? Who could be intensely engaged in process of observation? The graders. So it's a plural, so we need they. That's why. But why not? You're right. Remember, yeah, all of these notes in the chapter, you read it after the session. It will help me. Number 10.
D.
Number 10 D. No, number 10 it's a C. Why it's a C? Because he mentioned exactly interpreting what. Here he said interpreting them. What are they? We are talking about the document. See, as he mentioned, his studies didn't know the outcome of the trial. And the researchers did this action. So for help in interpreting the document, the researchers called upon Dr. Everett. Yeah, so they will have trouble. They have trouble in interpreting, explaining, or understanding the document. So now he make it clear. And letter D, it's a big problem. Why? Because already it's a sentence, but we are not talking about the process of interpretation. It changed the meaning. Do you catch it? Here we are talking
Yes.
about document, not the process. Letter C, correct. Number 11.
Number 11 is C.
11, it's a C. 11 C, it is, no, it is letter B. Why? He said here each singular. How singular was plural? Wrong. How each was plural? How plural was singular? It's an all. But here singular was singular. Here singular was singular. So be correct. It's about agreement in number. Singular, singular. And agreement in gender. Male, male, female, female. But if you didn't make it clear, you should be careful about it. If I said person must sleep early, the person refers to he or she. Come on, he will be adaptable. Number 12.
B.
Number 12 will be no, number 12
No, C,
is
C, C.
C, correct. Perfect. Number 13.
D.
Sure. Letter B. B, it's correct. Because we know the form of what? Snow. But here we are not talking about, you said there is structures and the forms of what? Here it's snow crystals. Now we know, understand. Because he mentioned a lot of ideas here. Catch it?
Yes.
Yeah. This is called in English clarity in writing. Make it clear. Don't let the reader guess. Number 14.
Number 14. A.
Letter A, good catch.
Number 15. D.
15 D, no. 15 it's a C. As he mentioned here, looking into hydrodynamics of swimming to answer this question. Episode refers to the question. If you said it to these objections, as you know, objection means a disagreement, but there is no disagreement. You ask a question. So it's letter C. Good try. 16.
16 is B. It should be D. D.
So D, correct. Good job. Number 17.
17 is B.
17 it can be, but here it's the same. Here he make it clear. It, what does it refer to? This refers to what? So letter D refers it. Did you catch it?
Yes.
Number 18.
A.
18 it can be A, but here I think it must be they. Why? He said here they started their artistic collaboration. And so we're talking about they. So it must be they. But the problem they have or they had. So they have because he said since for present perfect tense. So since is this time. So it means the present perfect. And here we have past participle for have. So we test here, is this present perfect or past perfect? Come on, you did it. 19.
Number 19 is C.
19 C, correct, yes. For plural, as he mentioned here.
And 20 is C.
And 20 it's C. Good hand. Is there something else here?
Yes. Another 2 questions. They are continue scrolling.
Yeah, we didn't study this part.
But you told me from page 21
Here.
to 30 and I answered also.
Yeah, I mean not on the PDF, in the book. Look, different numbers. Here 41, here 22.
In the book,
So,
it's page 45.
yeah,
In
but
the PDF, it's different than the book.
it's okay. When I sent you for this number. So when we study inshallah this chapter, we'll answer it. Don't worry. Now download the vocab. Let's go to answer it.
We'll answer together.
Yeah, we'll answer some one together and keep the rest for you. Because we must finish this three. Right now,
But
B,
is for me.
I'm sorry? Yeah, missed.
Can you tell me this file? Mention it.
Yeah, I sent it in the group. I'm going to mention now. Yeah, anything I send, download very quickly and save in our folder.
Do I start now?
5 minutes from 1 to 5.
I answer by my own or together?
You answer first and then we'll correct. But now we have 5 minutes from 1 to 5.
The answer of number one is D.
So D, it's correct, yes. As I told you, if you found the verbs in the answers, find the subject, find the object. Here he, and he refers to the artist. So what does the artist do to the paintings? Detecting? No evidence. Diffusing? No evidence. Because he said explore different style. You see? And so he
Yes.
tried to not to refuse. And hidden, there is no any sense. That's right. Right.
Second one is C.
Second one, it's letter C, but why not A?
Hold on.
Yeah, the word faint means weak. But I'm not talking about the strength, power, something here.
We're talking about simply.
And here it is the only difficulty. So that means that he arranged it easily. And he said here, like an excellent plan.
The answer is yes.
So it must be here indeed. And the foolish, of course, does not make sense. Okay.
Okay. Number three. Number three. Is B.
And three,
The
it's
answer is B.
and B, it's correct. Yes, this is brilliant. Here we found the verb. What is the subject? Who or what provides? The discoverers. Provide what? Evidence. How did you know it's a provide, not dismiss? It must be evident. He said they guessed, they believe it dates back to the fourth. And they found discovery in the fourth already. So this means discovery prove it, not rejected. So how refused? How rejected? And we are not talking about rules or regulations. So no rules or regulations about C. Yeah, always find evidence for your answer. Come on.
The answer is D.
Letter D, no. Letter D means he prevented, but how he prevented the conventions of photography. Conventions means the traditions, the old, famous, common rules of photography. But he mentioned here he did something when he create images that were high contrast and included blur. He said that all of these features seen as flaws. So how did he that? And look, so unorthodox. What means unorthodox? It means he didn't follow the rules. Was Kellen's work that had difficulty finding a publisher for his now iconic photo book. So that is means he didn't review. So either, of course, respect opposite. Now defy. Defy means he challenge. If you challenge something, you do the opposite. He didn't follow the rules of photography. It must be beautiful, not blurred or distorted elements, but not prevented. He didn't prevent the rules. He didn't stop the rules from using. You know it? So D, it is wrong. So it's letter B. So defy means a challenge. That's one. Come on, try the next.
The answer is D.
Letter D.
No, D.
Last one, no. Well, how incomplete? He said it's an adjective. Describe space between two words. So it's an empty, see, an empty space. So if you found the adjective, you must find what is the noun does it describe. This can help you. So letter B is correct. Come on, what is next?
The answer is A.
So A, it's correct. Good hand. Modifies went. Good job.
The answer is B.
Letter B, it is correct. Right, as you mentioned, dollars.
Should be C.
Answer is letter C, correct. Perfect.
The answer should be A.
Letter A. It can be letter A, but no. Are we talking about characters?
So what answer?
طب let's see. The few examples of what? He said most writers prefer working alone. That means we are talking about they work together or not. And here labor, remember the Latin note? Labor means work. And the call together. So letter C. Right? Okay.
The answer is D.
Letter D, I don't think so.
It should be B.
طب why not
B,
to
B.
be A? طب why not to be A? Remember he said only left A of existence. But trace, like evidence. Feel that?
Yes.
If you cannot find what left, my soul had left its body to lose itself in the wild, unrestrained, unlimited, beauty around me, and then non-essential information, and only left. So the same, had left. So my soul left what? Its existence. See, its body, if so trace. So the soul has no opinion. There is no disagreement. The soul does not give commands. So it could be trace, and the trace just like evidence in me. You see, or inheritance, something you inherited, something you have it after it. You see, like traces of my grandfather. He left a stronger personality in me. You see, this way. Now answer the next until I send the annual link.